Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the image matches your OS and that your external drive or network share has sufficient space. Once done, locate encryption keys and product keys and jot down the current partition layout so you can restore accurately. Make sure to disable fast startup and unplug non-essential peripherals to avoid driver conflicts. Now boot to your recovery media. Choose the repair or restore option. This moves us straight into the recovery sequence without wasting time. You now boot from the recovery USB or DVD and select the System Image Recovery tool. This is where choices matter. Once there, browse to the image, map a network share if necessary, and verify the checksum so you avoid corrupted restores. Then select the target disk and confirm whether to overwrite partitions or resize. Make sure the boot partition is included. If prompted, allow the utility to write MBR or EFI entries so the system can boot after completion. You finish by letting the restore run to completion, then remove the recovery media and reboot into the restored system. Once up, install device drivers and run system updates, then check disk health and file integrity so nothing was missed. If the system refuses to boot, use repair tools to rebuild the BCD or repair EFI entries. Alternatively, verify the image checksum and repeat the restore. And if problems persist, restore to a different disk to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.